Good morning. Thank you so much for this opportunity to have this interview. I would like to walk you through my portfolio that I've made. Here I have my a little bit about me, my professional photo. Here's my teaching philosophy. Everything is under tabs, so it'll be easy to access. Here's my resume. You can look at that later if you would like. So let's go do some of my assignments that I am pretty proud of. A lot of these I have had to collaborate, use my communication skills, ensure that it's all creative. For example, let's look at this one. This is all about creating comics to best tell a story for your, like a book trailer. So I've had to make this comic, and I've also made this video. This video you can pull up on your own, just get out your phone and pull out your camera, and you can take like it's a QR code, so it'll pop up and you just click the link and it'll take you straight to YouTube. One of the videos that I would like to share with you is actually not a video. It's this. This is my goose chase. This is the reflection. However, I would like to talk about this opportunity that I had. Me and my group, we got to make certain activities together. And we made this TikTok challenge and we collaborated together and we gave the children a real life world experience to handle, which was kindness. They had to go and they had to give an act of kindness and videotape it and share it on TikTok. And so we made this act of kindness, and we had the students complete these activities as a scavenger hunt. It was a gamification activity. So we gamified some of their science lessons. They had to collaborate with their groups and they had to complete these science activities to get the points. So it was a good collaborative learning activity. Another thing that I would like to share, if I can find it, is under UDL. Here is my gamification. I'm pretty you're gonna have to pull out your phone for this one as well. Scan the code right here. This QR code, and it'll take you to a Quizlet. For this lesson plan that I have here, I created a Quizlet activity that helps quiz you on this overall lesson, which was about communities. Another activity that I created, which is under the technology assignments. Let me pull it up. So sorry about it. My Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, so it's taking a while. It's not quite an activity, but I had an interview with one of my classmates, Emma, which you can listen to here. Let me show that for you. We're not going to listen to the whole thing. It is about. Good afternoon, everyone. Today on Let's Get Into It, I have a very special guest, Emma. We're going to be talking about the highs and lows of difficult conversations. We each go through different trials in life, so it's nice to hear from a different perspective. Emma, would you like to introduce yourself to my podcast?
Hi guys, my name is Emma. Like she already said, I am a senior at the University of the Incarnate Word. I am a music education major with hopes to teach at a secondary level, either 6 through 12. Here we go.
So that's just a snippet because I don't want to take up too much of your time, but it's just a snippet of one of my podcasts. I have two exactly. So this one is also with two of my other classmates, Eric and Veronica, and we talked about pre-service life or as a pre-service teacher. And yes, so if you're interested in that, you can go check those out. Just recently, I created this Museums Around the World virtual tour, so you can go check this out. This called for a lot of time considering you had to go find everything. So I chose museums around the world because I believe that museums are something that should be cultivated and treasured. So I had to go and find interactive museums that included picture like 3D like virtual imagery. Not everywhere has that, so I had to choose that. Oh, I apologize for all the yawning. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know why this is opening. And so yes, so here is one of the other activities that I had. This is a good way of getting your students' attention, keeping them focused by doing an interactive virtual tour. Here is my video explaining how to do the TikTok challenge.
So today I'm going to be how to do this random act of kindness on TikTok. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store and you're going to download TikTok if you don't have it already. So you're going to need to brainstorm a random act of kindness that you want to do in your community. This could be helping your mom or dad at home, doing...
I don't want to go too much into it. I apologize. Anyway, so yes, here is everything in my technology assignments. Sorry, another notification popped up for Screencast-O-Matic. But you'll be able to navigate this website pretty easily, finding all the information that you need here. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I really appreciate this chance to have an interview. I apologize for all the hiccups. And thank you. I really think that gamification, collaboration, making sure that we are giving the students real, authentic learning experiences that they can manipulate and handle for themselves, and staying current with for me to stay current and being a constant daily learner as a world citizen, making sure that we stay attentive to what is happening, making sure that our students are aware of the world's climate and all of that. This is what it takes to be an effective elementary teacher and teacher. Oh, I apologize again. We have many different tools that we have to make sure that we are able to best help our students. Oof. One of these tools that we have, or like it's not a tool, but one of the ways of thinking that we have is something that one of my professors, Dr. Fraga, taught me, was through the 4 C's. You know, make sure that you're collaborating. This could be with other faculty. I apologize. This could be with your students. This could be with friends. Just making sure that you're collaborating with your activities, that the students have interactions. You could bring in guest speakers. This is in one of my lesson plans, is I want to bring in a guest speaker to share their expertise on the field. Critically thinking, making sure that you are aware of what you're teaching, thinking through activities, making sure that things are, to the best that they could be. You don't want your students to be exposed to poor information that you did not think through. So making sure that everything is up to date, everything is well, is is very important. Communication. Making sure that you're communicating. I've done this multiple times throughout this, collaborating and communicating with my group members, making sure that we get all of our group assignments done. This can be seen in my podcast, in the TikTok video and challenge. All of these assignments are ways that I've collaborated and communicated, and making sure that you're creative. This, in my opinion, is the most important one because creativity is such a it's such a hard thing to naturally have, and so seeking for it, finding ways to be creative is a must. We have to find ways to get our students critically thinking in creative ways, making sure that they don't lose that side of them as they grow up. This is seen in lots of students that they they don't maintain this creativity in them, and we need to find ways to cultivate that in them through learning. So I've made this my goal to make sure that in my activities we're able to collaborate with others, critically think, communicate, and be creative. Thank you so much again for this opportunity to have this interview. I really apologize for all the hiccuping and yawning. I don't know what's going on, but thank you very much for this opportunity. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a good day.